सन्निधान महानिर्वाणि पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर श्री परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ जगद्गुरु भगवान श्री श्री परमहंस नित्यानंद श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामी परात् परात् परात्
राजाधिराजाय प्रशक्यशागिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे श्यामे कामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः
சனடி போற்றி சிவன் சேவடி போற்றி நேயத்தே நின்றடி மலனடி போற்றி மாயப்பிறப்பருக்கும் மன்னனடி போற்றி சீரார் பெருந்துரை நம் தேவனடி போற்றி ஆராத இன்பம் அருளும் மலை போற்றி ஈசனே சிந்தை கவனம் நேசனே நீ வருவாய் ஒடு கனிகளை கொண்டு உன்னை பூஜித்தோ அருள் தருவாய் கலி என்னும் கடலினில் மூழ்கிட்ட எம்மை நீ கரம் தந்து காத்திருந்து கருணை உரையை பொய்கையில் அலர்ந்திட்ட அலவத்மம் போல உன் திருவடியில் வாழ்ந்திட வாராய் அருணாச்சலனே நீ வாராய் அகண்ட ஜோதியனே வாராய் அல்லல் நீக்கிடவே வாராய் அகிலம் போற்றுகின்ற ஈசனே சிந்தை கவர்ந்த நேசனே நீ வருவாய் ஒடு கனிகளை கொண்டு பூஜித்தோ அருள் தருவாய் மெய்யினில் வில்வமும் நிறையார் கடல் நீர் குடியோடு தரிசனம் அல்லவா செம்பொன் மாட சிற்றவை தனிலே இதை கவர்ந்த உன்னை சிக்கன பிடித்தேனே வந்தும் புகழ் பெறும் நான் வரை நாயகா மதியில் நிறைந்திடுவாய் மதி உணராதவர்க்கு மதி உணர் செய்திட நீ ஏந்திவாடிட சூழ்ந்திட நீ வருவாய் அகம் உணர்ந்திட புறம் மகிழ்ந்திட புலித்தோலோடு நீ வருவாய் विमुक्ति कारणे नादिकेश दिव्य ब्रह्मरूपने मीनाक्षि शक्ति सहित सुंदरे सरे அண்ணாமலை உதித்த நித்யநந்தனே சித்து அச்சித்தெல்லாம் முன்னாலே இயக்கும் முன்னாலே உந்தன் கண்ணாலே சிகையில் அணிந்திட்ட மதியாலே மதியின் மொழியாலே தெளிந்திடும் வழியாலே ஜீவன் முக்தி பெற விழைந்தோமே உந்தன் திருவடியை தொழுதோமே வெள்ளியாகினாய் கிள்ளியாகினாய் கேள்வி காண மகிழ்வாகினாய் ஒளியாகினாய் மகுமாகினாய் அதுமாகி அருள்படை தரும் கர்ம விதைகள் தீர்க்கும் காசிநாதனே எங்கள் கர்மம் போக்கி எம்மையாலும் நேசனே ஏகாந்தமாக ஏக பாதம் தூக்கியே மணியாரை காக்க வேண்டும் நித்யநந்தனே ஈசனே சிந்தை கவர வந்தனே சனே நீ வருவாய் நயே கதிகல சரணடையோ நயே காத்திரவா வாராய் அருணாச்சலனே நீ வாராய் அகண்ட ஜோதியலே வாராய் அகிலம் போற்றிடவே வாராய் நித்யானந்தனே
ஆதி அந்தமெங்கும் வேத நூல்கள் எங்கும் இவனின் ஜாலகத்தை சொல்லும் பாரடா ஊழல் சதி எங்கும் மாய்க்க பிறப்படுத்த வீரபத்திரமின்மையாரடா ஆதி அந்தமெங்கும் வேத நூல்கள் எங்கும் இவனின் ஜாலகத்தை சொல்லும் பாரடா ஊழல் சதி எங்கும் மாய்க்க பிறப்படுத்த வீரபத்திரமின்மையாரடா உருவமான முட்டை வசனம் பாருடா இடிய முந்திக்கிட்டு வரம் பாருடா இவனின் சித்தாந்தத்தில் இவனும் ஒன்னடா விடரிகளின் கதையும் மன்னடா உருவமான முட்டை வசனம் பாருடா இடிய முந்திக்கிட்டு வரம் பாருடா இவனின் சித்தாந்தத்தில் இவனும் ஒன்னடா விடரிகளின் கதையும் மன்னடா ஆதி அந்தமெங்கும் வேத நூல்கள் எங்கும் இவனின் ஜாலகத்தை சொல்லும் பாரடா ஊழல் சதி எங்கும் மாய்க்க பிறப்படுத்த வீரபத்திரமின்மையாரடா கண்டான உடம்புக்கார பாஞ்சி வந்தா முன்னால பஞ்சலோக முனிகள் எல்லாம் பணிஞ்சு மாட்டா தன்னால காட்டாறு ஆலங்கடல் பொங்கும் பேர சொன்னால சில கொண்ட சிங்கங்கோட ஒதுங்க மாட்டா பின்னால பின்னும் மண்ணும் கதி கலங்க பின்தொடர்ந்து காப்பாரே ஏவனே நீயும் ஒதுங்கிடு உலகாலும் என் சாமி வாராயன் முன்னாரே சூடம் கொண்டு ஓடி வரா ஆதி அந்தமெங்கும் வேத நூல்கள் எங்கும் இவனின் ஜாலகத்தை சொல்லும் பாரடா ஊழல் சதி எங்கும் மாய்க்க பிறப்படுத்த வீரபத்திரமின்மையாரடா ஆதி அந்தமெங்கும் வேத நூல்கள் எங்கும் இவனின் ஜாலகத்தை சொல்லும் பாரடா ஊழல் சதி எங்கும் மாய்க்க பிறப்படுத்த வீரபத்திரமின்மையாரடா உருவமான முட்டை வசனம் பாருடா இடிய முந்திக்கிட்டு வரம் பாருடா இவனின் சித்தாந்தத்தில் இவனும் ஒன்னடா விடரிகளின் கதையும் மன்னடா உருவமான முட்டை வசனம் பாருடா இடிய முந்தி
नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda Hindu University students, Nityananda E-Gurukul students, everyone watching live on Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, third day of Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsavam, Sri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti are gracing in Sarva Alankara, in Rudraksha Alankaram, seated on Swarna Rishabha Vagana, Ganapati, Valli Devasena Sameda Subramanya Swami, Nityanandeshwari Sameda Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, and Chandigeshwara Swami, and Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, all are adorning, blessing, gracing all of us in Sarva Alankara. Let's receive their blessings by offering our devotion, then enter into the satsang.
सर्वदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमेश्वराय नमः धूपमाघ्रापयामि। ओम दीप्य स्वजात वेदो पघन निरृति मम पशुविष्टमह्यमाह जीवनं च दिशो दिश मानो हि गुंति जात वेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिभ्रदज्ञागहि श्रियामा परिपातय। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमेश्वराय नमः। सर्वदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमेश्वराय नमः। एकहारति दर्शयामि। ओम अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। ओम तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाक्विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। ओम सदाशिवाय विद्महे सहस्राक्षाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। ओम व्योमव्योमाय विद्महे सूक्ष्मसूक्ष्माय धीमहि तन्नः सूक्ष्मः प्रचोदयात्। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। समस्त राजोपचारार्थे कर्पूर नीराजनं तन्दर्शयामि रक्षान् धारयामि।
With the grace of Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, let's enter into the satsang. Listen. Today, I'll explain how to manifest Ishvara Shakti, ultimate force, in all four levels as physical reality: the gravitational force level, electromagnetic force level, weak nuclear force level, strong nuclear force level. In all four levels, how to manifest Ishvara Shakti and master these four forces. Listen, it is, the good news is, it is too simple. Understand? I still keep myself alive and go on talking to all of you every day to tell you the truth. Because the truth I am revealing is too easy to be practiced. Actually, you don't even need to practice. You just need to be awakened. That's all. You need to turn your attention. You need to divert your attention towards the truth I am explaining. That's all. Say, for example, if you are in a dream, you are running in a forest to save your life, and two tigers are chasing you. You are almost on the cliff. If you fall, you will die. If you don't jump, the tigers are going to eat you. You are almost in the worst danger. You think somebody should come and give you a gun to help you to kill the tiger, or somebody should hold you when you jump. Nothing is required. All you need is a wake-up call, whether lovingly, Mama, or Dad, whatever. Actually, the tone of the wake-up call does not even matter after you wake up. You just need wake-up call, not gun or a net, somebody to save you, nothing. Understand? Same way, now you just need to divert your attention towards the truth I am revealing. It is too easy. The good news is, it is too easy and too simple. The great news is, that is why you are all being attacked. You may ask, how can that be great news that we are all being attacked? Listen, only when you are attacked, you will understand how important I am and how much I am contributing to your life. Otherwise, many times you take it for granted. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Some of my disciples asked me, Swamiji, do you want to send any message to the two of your daughters who are illegally imprisoned in false case, Ma Pranapriya and Ma Priyatattva? I only sent one message. Tell them they are imprisoned in a false case illegally. All that is true. But as beings living enlightenment, learn to use every situation and raise yourself more and more. So listen to this only one truth. meditate only on this one powerful cognition. I told them from my own experience. Once I was imprisoned illegally under false case and came out, the biggest lesson I learned, I understood I should not take my freedom for granted. And I started working towards my goal 10 times more faster. If you just look at my life, I started my public life 1999. On my star birthday, I made the Sankalpa by the grace of Paramashiva, Satya Sankalpa of this Nityananda Sangha. Public life started. 2010, that false case, illegal imprisonment. After I came out, 2010 to this 2019, this 9 years, if you see my contribution, my working hours, internally, externally, 3 times more I contributed than the first 1999 to 2010. The first 10 years and the second 9 years, first 10 years or 11 years, whatever. The first, before the illegal imprisonment and after the illegal imprisonment, if you see, my contribution has become 3 times more. I decided I should not take my freedom for granted. I should deliver what I have to deliver. I should do what I should do. You can see the signs of levitation, 108 kriyas, the yoga, Pratama Vinyasa Krama, Dvidiya Vinyasa Krama, Tritiya Vinyasa Krama, Chaturtha Vinyasa Krama, then Jnana Paddhati, power manifestation science, and Nirahara Samyama, Kundalini awakening, teleportation, every Gurukul itself, all my best books, all the best satsangs, science of completion, Paramashiva Jnana, Vijnana, I can list the whole thing, all the best things I have delivered only this last 9 years. After this illegal imprisonment, understand? The attack done on me is illegal, immoral, wrong, that is one. But as a being radiating enlightenment, I should use every situation in the right direction. I sent only one message to them. Do not take your freedom for granted. Do not take your life for granted. Do not take your inspiration to be alive and work for granted. What I learned after that illegal imprisonment, let me flare up and be more integrated to Paramashiva and be more active, alive, and contributing. I told them, learn this, that's all. Understand, I am alive, sitting and constantly talking to you all to tell the truth. I'm so happy to see lot more SJP Yajamans, Kartas, devotees. I can see Chaya Bharadwaj, I can see Shan Kumar's family, Dr. Kumar and son, Shan, Michelle, kids, all of them. Happy to see you all, guys. And Lot more people. Let me first finish sharing what I wanted to share before any internet fluctuation or technical snacks come. Let me finish what I want to share. Listen. Manifesting ultimate force and conquering. Actually, you don't even need to conquer. If you can just play with all the four forces, like a gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force. It's too simple, too easy. I tell you. If you awaken yourself to Charyapada, lifestyle of Kailasa, you will master gravitational force. If you awaken yourself to Kriyapada, rituals of the Kailasa, you will master electromagnetic force. If you awaken yourself to Yoga Pada of Kailasa, you will master weak nuclear force. If you awaken yourself to power manifestation science, strong nuclear force, to power manifestation science, Jnana Pada of Kailasa, you will master strong nuclear force. Listen carefully. I'll explain step by step what is awakening yourself to lifestyle of Kailasa. It is not at all difficult. Understand this one principle. Whatever gravitates you is negativity. Whatever levitates you is Kailasa's energy. Whatever makes you feel light inside and light outside is from Kailasa. Whatever I am promoting, just see, vegetarian lifestyle, everyday morning yoga, keep yourself without any negativity, be always non-violent, joyful, carry a light being. You do not need cunning strategic existence for your survival. You made to believe you need to be cunning, cruel, strategic, violent for your survival is false. Understand? When you are dreaming, you are running for your life in the forest and tigers are chasing, you are almost on the cliff. If somebody wakes you up by loving call, Mama or Dad, they are doing a great service. If somebody tells you, you need to be cunning now, you need to be strategic now, you need to be violent now, you need to fight back on the tiger, drrrr, like a video game. Those fools may look like they are talking for your good. They are deluded and they are putting you in delusion. Stop all this video gamic life. Life is not video game. Intelligent are those, rich are those who build a light being. I tell you, whether you want to make wealth or health, beautiful relationship, taste about life, build beautiful light being. Listen. Actually, I can even now see the Vinesh son seems like running around. But if you catch him and make him sit, he can repeat verbatim what I am talking. He is listening. I can see his whole being is listening. A light being person will not be strategic but will be alive. I can see more people. Harish, Lata from Houston, and Sridhar, Vinayaka, Ramesh Ramani, Satish, Sumati, Banu, Sona Kamat. Today I can see doctor also. Sona's husband also I am seeing today. Balaji, nice. Debbie Sculer, nice to see you all, guys. And Lakshmi Devineni, yes. Listen. Tushi, I can see Tushi also. Light being is the best asset. One of the best technique for anti-aging is light being. One of my Krama Brahmacharini, she has one strong, powerful cognition inside her. Swamiji will do only good to me. Just that one powerful cognition somehow clicked into her so deeply. She has built the light being inside her just by that one click. And she will never age, I can guarantee. I am not saying that she has already become enlightened, but I can say just with that one cognition, she has burnt almost all negativities. Her one powerful cognition, Swamiji will do only good to me. Understand? Many times, some one powerful cognition clicks inside your heart. That one powerful cognition starts building light being in you, I tell you. Build light being in you. Kailasa force is levitation. Negative force is gravitation. I am not saying gravitation force is negativity, but anything gravitates you is negativity. You are given false idea if you are told gravitation is natural force. No. Levitation is natural force for your consciousness. Gravitation is an unnatural superimposed force on you. If you are made to believe you are body, you are given delusion. Then from that delusion, next delusion is derived. Oh, gravitation is natural force. No. Delusion, one is wrong. You are not body, you are consciousness. That's the first truth. Second, gravitation is not natural force, levitation is natural force. Gravitation is unnatural superimposed force on you. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Waking up to the truth only needs a little bit of attention. You see, when I call your name, how you feel? Wow. How much you attend to that? That much attention if you give for the truth, that's all. I can see Prema and Kumar and Nityaramani and all four. I can see Nityaramani and whole family. And listen. Make your lifestyle with light being activities, lifestyle, friends, attitudes, thought currents. Why will you watch horror movie continuously and feel horrored inside your bedroom? I have seen people who will not go to even backyard of their own home in the evenings or night time. They know it is their own window screen shadow, but they are afraid to see their own window screen shadow. The delusion goes so high. Knowing it is a delusion, they are afraid of seeing it. Fear of fear, knowing it is false fear. Listen carefully. My grandmother had one dog, Mani. It is literally a Siddha, lived in that body. Is literally a Siddha. Because I have seen multiple evidences. Whenever she cannot come with me to take me to temple or to see the Raghupati Yogi or Ram Surat Kumar, she will tell that Mani, hey, Tambi kuttu poidoda. In Indian villages, even grandson is called as Tambi. Tambi kuttu poidoda. That fellow will start walking, I will go behind him. Not even once he has taken to a wrong place. Understand? See, getting to know where Visiri Swami Ramswarup Kumar is there in Tiruvannamalai is not that easy joke. He had one house near the Arunajaleshwara's chariot, Periya Ther. Just Therukku pakkathula, next to the Arunajaleshwara's chariot, he had one house, small house. But it's not that always he will be there in that house. Sometimes he will be there in the Smashana, Ishanya Linga. Sometimes he will be there in some devotee's house. Sometimes he will be there in the Samanda Vinayagar Sannidhi in Arunachaleshwara temple. Sometimes he will sit in front of the Chinnanandi in Tiruvannamalai temple. He will sit in multiple places. It's not that this fellow will go to every place and check and then take me. No. He will straight walk that smelling. Such powerful smelling. Never once he went to wrong place. He will straight take me there exactly. And Ram Suratkumar had his own pet dogs, 2-3 dogs. Those dogs also will allow only this money near him. He will be very friendly with them, and the same way that money also will not allow anybody else near me. Neither dogs nor persons can come near me. If he is given charge, he is absolute security. I tell you, really mark this statement. Decide to build light being, even the pets, nature around you will become sweet light. Charya Pada is all about building light being. In your food, eating style, ask yourself, am I feeling light? Then accept only those food. Never eat anything makes you heavy. Whether food, thought currents, watching horror movie, pornography, actually listening to the abusers, reading their posts, watching their videos is more than pornography and horror movie. Lies, rumors, scandals, abuses packed in high intensity than any pornography and horror movie is this. Abusers, negative people. It's like a pornography into horror movie into infinity. The power of infinity equivalent to abusers, negative people, their videos, audios, statements, posts, lies, scandals. It makes you heavy. Why do you want to have shit? The shit which is already inside you, pushing it out itself is such a big job. Clearing all the karmas you already accumulated itself is a big job. Why do you want to accumulate more karma? I'll give you example of the definition of the word karma. Karma is, I'll tell in Tamil. Because I heard this word directly from one of the great being who trained me in my life. அண்ணாமலை சுவாமிகள். அடே, மீன் திங்கிறவங்க எல்லா நேரத்துலையும் முள்ளு தொண்டையில சிக்குன்னு நினைக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஆனா ஏதாவது ஒரு முள்ளு தொண்டையில சிக்கிருச்சுன்னா அது என்ன பாடுபடுத்துதோ அதே மாதிரி தான் ஏதாவது ஒரு தப்பான கருத்து, ஐடியா தொண்டையில மனசுக்குள்ள சிக்கிருச்சுன்னா அது படுத்துற பாடுதாண்டா கருமோ. I'll translate. So people who eat fish never think that the fish bone, that needle, will get caught in their throat. But somehow by mistake, one needle or one fish bone gets caught in the throat. How much it tortures. Same way, one wrong idea getting caught in your inner space and tortures you is karma. How Ma Chidambara, one idea in her heart, Swamiji will do only good for me. She burnt all her negativity and living in the space of lightness, building more and more lightness. See, this is the example of positivity. Many times I have seen only one wrong idea goes into people's mind and destroys the whole Guru Bhakti. I have seen. Whatever Swamiji is saying is right, but that person in the Sangha, he did something wrong, she did something wrong. Swamiji should have controlled them. Why he did not do? That one idea is enough, goes and sits inside like a mean mull, fish bone. With that one idea you brood, it can destroy the whole Guru Bhakti. Understand, only one powerful cognition can completely liberate you. Only one powerless cognition can completely destroy your whole spiritual work you have done for years. That is why I am saying, be careful. Do not allow the poison of abusers into your life. They have nothing to lose. Understand? In the business of selling false news, sensationalism, getting TRP, getting your eyeballs, seller is not loser, buyer is the loser. They have nothing to lose. They got your eyeballs. They want TRP, they want views, they got it. But you are the loser. Understand? In 2003, the junior Vigadan started attacking me, abusing me. Somehow want to destroy me. They tried. From 2003 till now they are trying. But Kala Bhairava is protecting me. They got their views using my name. They got their TRP. They got their audience. They got their money. Who is the loser? Audience. Audience are the loser. Kala Bhairava is protecting me. I am doing what I am supposed to do. Consumers are the losers. That is why I am saying, consume anything which makes you light, sweet being. The shit and the karma which is already there itself need to be cleaned. Why do you want to accumulate more? As if you have less work. Anything which reduces your trust level on the life, avoid. Anything which increases your trust level on life, add it. Trust is the beautiful flowering of light being. LITE, LIGHT, both. LITE internally, LIGHT externally. Ask yourself, each thing, horror movie, horror news, does it make me light or heavy? Heavy, reject. Pornography, does it make me light or heavy? Heavy, reject. Non-vegetarian food, Does it make me heavy or light? Heavy. Reject. That's all is the scale. Kailasa is levitation. Anything makes you light is the lifestyle of Kailasa. Satya makes you mentally light. You don't have to remember constantly all the lies you told. That is the greatness of Satya. With Satya, you can deal your life too simply as a light being. With the light being, you can deal your life. Only a light being can sit and go on be talking with people. See, from morning and night, now I started 2 satsangs. Few days I am not coming because of the technical glitches. Otherwise, I can come and sit for hours. Actually, in Tamil satsang, I spend even 2-3 hours sometime. I think 2 days before I gave satsang from 9:30 to 12 o'clock. Overdosage. 10:30, 11:30, 12. Almost 2.5 hours. I can go on, sit and share. Continuously new ideas, because I am not generating ideas. I am just mirroring the neuron effects of Kailasa, Paramashiva, that's all. 25 heads constantly grasping Paramashiva Jnana and Vijnana and radiating it to the world. I have the photograph of my grandmother's pet. I should say my pet also. Mani, the great Siddha. The garden you see behind my grandmother, that's my personal garden for puja. I had my own garden for my Anmartha puja, because Paramashiva says you should not buy flowers and offer. You should grow your own garden and offer for puja. So for my Anmartha puja, I had my own personal garden. That garden only you are seeing, it's a roof garden for my personal puja. Because that time itself I was initiated by 230th Guru Maha Sannidhanam, and he has given Anmartha puja and initiation and blessings and all that. And of course, Arunagiri Yogeshwara has given me the deities. So because of that, I used to do everyday puja. So I had my own garden. That garden is the background. Thanks to people who made these photographs, such amazing. We have amazing records, photos, videos, documents of my autobiography. I think well documented autobiography is mine only. So much material and evidence. Wonderful. Ramakrishna used to say, single, he will say, all tapas, all spiritual practice, one line. Man muk ek karo. In Bengali, he used to say. I don't know how many of you feel like learning Tamil because I am talking in Tamil. I had a deep desire to learn Bengali, to read the original words of Ramakrishna, and I learnt also. Even now I can manage Bengali. I can read, write, understand, not fluently speak, but can manage few words in Bengali. Just to learn Ramakrishna's teachings in the original words, I learnt Bengali. Man muk ek karo. Build a light being. Make your inner space and your external expression in oneness. That's all. Building a light being, you will master the gravitational force. Understand? It is a Ishvara Shakti. The most wonderful thing, create people, situation who gives you the confidence every day. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. To tell you it is not possible, you don't need people around you. Whole society is telling you that only. No, nothing is possible. Nothing is possible. Nothing is possible. You are doomed. Build people around you. Have friendship. Have Sangha around you, which tells you it is possible, it is possible, it is possible. I want all my Sangha to start talking from today. Language of absolute positivity and integrity. How in the Gurukul, I taught absolute positive language. Satbhasha. I used to personally sit and dictate to Mahadvait how the word no should never be used. Our Gurukul kids, if you talk to them, they will only say zero. And they will not say I. Exact Satbhasha I have been taught. I taught to my Gurukul kids. I want that to be revived again. Understand? I want the whole Sangha to start using the Satbhasha. Right language. Internally and externally. I'll tell Madhvait to conduct classes on Sadbhasha. Right language, right thinking, building a light being internally and externally. Gurukul is a great possibility for building the right Bhasha language. I can see very clearly people who are interested in higher lifestyle. They always stand so strongly with me wherever they are. People who are interested only in exploiting and extortion. I never feel them as part of me, even if they are trying to be around me. Listen carefully. Calf, even if it goes near the mother cow, For a few minutes, it'll drink milk and come back. The blood bee, even if he's sitting on the cow 24 hours, it'll only suck blood. Understand this truth. Start the Sadbhasha, right language, you will all become enlightened immediately. I wanted to give this as an important Guru Vak to the whole Sangha. Listen to this one thing. Build more and more internally trust on yourself and the people in the Sangha and with the devotees, ultimately with Paramashiva and Guru. Build the trust level, raise the trust level more and more. Understand? More and more trust level will build more and more integrity. More and more integrity will build more and more trust level. One of the worst thing the attackers, abusers, conspirators, traitors are trying to do. They are trying to do two things. One, build a false narrative about me, character assassination, and about me and the Sangha. The administrators, people who are trying to stand strongly and hold the Sangha together. I was surprised that they can go to the extent of saying that Pranananda is killed and buried. I was shocked. Hey, where is Pranananda? He is doing puja every day to Nityanandeshwara 6 times. Only after I saw that he made a video, I am so happy and relieved, because I don't know whether these conspirators, they would have killed somebody and tried to put the blame on Sangha and me. They will do anything. They are capable of doing, and they will do anything. Only when I heard he is safe and he is doing puja every day in the temple, I said, I am relieved. They are trying to build false narrative and trying to build false evidences. That is one. Second, they are trying to terrorize the whole Sangha. Whether what we tell is truth or false, will your Swamiji and your Sangha be able to stand our attack? Let's see. Trying to terrorize. These two they are trying. All of you listen. Negativity has no value because it doesn't have existence. Positivity has a value. It is life. All of you decide you will be intensely positive. You will start building very trusting relationship with the Sangha, with Paramashiva, with Swamiji, with the devotees. I want all devotees to stand together, build more and more positive, strong relationship with more and more completion, Guru-centered. There is a big gang trying to be anti-Guru Sangha. Understand? Don't join that gang. Centered on Guru, centered on Paramashiva, centered on life positivity. Build more and more trust, love, relationships. Don't expect somebody from Sangha will talk to you. I am the Sangha, I am talking to you. build more and more positive, life affirming, trusting, strong, fearless, powerful, non-violent Sangha. If somebody is anti-guru, life negative, abuser, try to explain and enrich. Don't get influenced by them. If they are not ready to listen, let them live their life. Leave them away. You don't need to become negative. Understand, our purpose is Kailasa. Their purpose is different. Let them live their purpose. You live your purpose. That's it. Our purpose is Kailasa. Their purpose is gravitating. Our purpose is levitating. From 2003 till now, it's almost like a 2019. I think 2019 is about to end. Last month we are in. I don't know, 17 years or 18 years. They are going on attacking me. Paramashiva's grace, Mahakala Bhairava is protecting me and the Sangha. I want to tell you all, it will feel like some of our devotees are also getting targeted and attacked by these abusers and attackers. I want to assure all those devotees, especially Gujarat devotees, Kala Bhairava is protecting me and protecting all of you. Don't worry. I can't name all of you now, but Kala Bhairava is protecting me and protecting all of you. Don't worry. It may look like you are also being attacked, targeted. Kala Bhairava is protecting me, protecting all of you. We will win the game. We win the game. We win. Let's stand united and we win the game. We will win the game. Negativity and traitors will never win. Understand? I am absolutely integrated to Paramashiva. Paramashiva and Mahakala Bhairava is, was, will be protecting me and our Sangha and all our devotees. It's an assurance from Paramashiva directly. Listen. Listen carefully. Building people around you who help you to constantly build a light being and the lifestyle of Kailasa is Charyapada. That is all is the purpose of Sangha. People who give you wake up call in the morning and inspire you to do yoga and make you feel whole day light. People who inspire you to have a vegetarian lifestyle and Kailasa lifestyle. That's all is Sangha. people who inspire you to build more and more energy, life towards Kailasa is Sangha. Understand life is all about becoming light being and levitating back to Kailasa. Zoom. That's it. Connecting back to Kailasa. Just see. Unclutching. Does it make me heavy or light? No, it makes me light. Do that. That's it. Completion. Does it make me heavy or light? It makes me light. Do that. That's it. Prayer. Does it make me heavy or light? Light. Do that. That's it. I can see Akil Kodali, Shrikant Iyer, and Sanjay Verma, Peter Bloomfield, Selvaraj Sellayya, Maitri and Senthil, Satish, and Nirmala. Nirmala Sivaji. Yes. Blessings to all you guys. Understand? I can see Prema Priya, Ma Prema Priya. Yes. I can see Murugan also. Yes. Come on, listen. Everyday puja changes the very electromagnetic force you are living. It just hooks you to Kailasa. Everyday puja, a whole vibrational electromagnetic force changer, like a game changer. That 15-20 minutes, connect with Paramashiva. Know that he is real and he is alive and he is accepting your puja. Understand? Kriya. Kriya means all the rituals connecting you with Kailasa, changing your electromagnetic force and connecting you back to Kailasa. I'm just changing the whole electromagnetic force in all of you and me now, just now. Sit and chant Mahavagya now. No need to close your eyes. Keep your eyes open and stare at my form. I'll change the whole electromagnetic force in all of you, connect all of you to Kailasa. Come on. Let's start now.
पिङ्गलज्वलप्रवाहभावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादमड्डमर्वयं चकार चन्द्रताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवा शिवम् संभ्रमं भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्जरी विलोल विचिवल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि दगद्दगद्दगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टभावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणं मम रातरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्ध सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपाकटाक्ष धोरिणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापति क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मे तु वस्तुनि भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत्पणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्तरिक्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्दूर स्फुरत्मकुत्तरीय मे गुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं विभर्तु भूतवल्परि सहस्रलोचन प्रभुज्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणि विदूषरात्रिपीठ भूभुजंग राजमालया निबद्ध जाट चूडक श्रिय चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धु शेखरम् ललाटनपरत्तलन्तनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गवादिपीठ पञ्चसायकं नमन्यलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजकालमस्तु नः जगज्जगज्जगज्जगज्जलञ्जयाहुनिकृतं चण्डपञ्चसायके धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्र भद्रक कल्पनेक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने निर्ममा मेघमण्डली निरुद्ध दुर्धर स्फुरत्पुः निशीतनीतवं प्रबन्धवज्जगन्धर निलिम्ब निर्जनीकरस्तनोतु भूमि सिन्दूरकलानि दानवन्धुरा श्रियं जगद्वरन्धरा पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मकान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे जयपद प्रविक्रम प्रमद्भुजङ्गमश्वदद्विजङ्गमन्त्रमं पुरस्करालबालाव्यवाद्यमिद्यमिद्यनन्द्रदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गलध्वनिक्रमं प्रवर्तित प्रचण्ड ताण्डवः शिव शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्याम्
नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवम् पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततम् हरे गुरो भक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिम् विभोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम्
ॐ ॐ जुं सा ॐ ॐ जुं सा ॐ ॐ जुं सा ॐ ॐ जुं सा
पूजावसान समये दशवक्त्र गीतं यहं शम्भुपूजन परं पठति प्रदोषे तस्य स्थिरां रथगजेन्द्र तुरङ्गयुक्ता लक्ष्मीं सदैव सुमुखीं प्रदिदाति
जटानविगलज्वलप्रवाहभावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् 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 निनादमड्डमर्वयं चकार चन्द्रताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवा शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमं भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि दगद्दगद्दगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टभावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणं मम राजरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धुबन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्धसन्तति प्रमोदमानमानसे कृपाकटाक्षधोरिणी निरुद्धदुर्धरापति क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोदमेतु वस्तुनि रथाभुजङ्गपिङ्गलस्फुरत्प्रणामणि प्रभाकदम्बकुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्तदिग्वधूमुखे मदाङ्गसिन्दूरस्फुरत्मकुत्तरीयमेघुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं विभर्तु भूतवर्परि सहस्रलोचन प्रपूज्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणि विदूषरात्रिपीठ भूभुजङ्ग राजमालया निबद्ध जाट चूडक श्रिय चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धु शेखरम् सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजकालमस्तु पट्टिका जगत् जगत् जगज्ज्वलज्जनञ्जया हुनिकुलन्तचण्ड पञ्चसायके धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी कुचाग्र चित्र पत्रका कल्पनेक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचनेन निर्ममा मण्डली निरुद्ध सुन्दर स्फुरद्भूमि श्रीमनीतवं प्रबन्धवज्जगन्धर निर्मणिर्जनी करस्तनोतु भूमि सिन्धुरङ्गलानि राघवन्धुर श्रियं जगत्सुरन्धर
भजे हमन्त कच्चिदं भजे हमन्त कच्चिदं भजे
स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मकान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे जयपदप्रविक्रमप्रभुजङ्गमस्वसद्विनिर्गमत्रवस्फुरत्करालबालाव्यवाट्यविद्यविद्यविद्यनप्रदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गलध्वनिं क्रमक्रमण्डितं प्रचण्ड शिव शिवेति मंत्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मंत्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मंत्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्याम्
नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवम् पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततम् हरे गुरो सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा विभोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम्
ॐ ॐ जुं सा ॐ ॐ जुं सा ॐ ॐ जुं सा ॐ ॐ जुं सा
पूजावसान समये दशवक्त्र गीतं यः शम्भुपूजन जटाटवीगलज्वल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गले वलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् 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 निनादमड्डमर्वयं चकार चन्द्रताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवा शिवम् संभ्रमं रमन्दिलिम्पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि दगद् दगद् दगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टभावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणं मम राधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्ध सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपाकटाक्ष धोरिणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोदमेतु वस्तुनि भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत्पणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्तरिद्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्दूर स्फुरत्मकुत्तरीय मे दुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं विभर्तु भूतवर्वरि सहस्रलोचन प्रभुज्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणि विदूषरात्रिपीठं भुजंग राजमालया निबद्ध जाट चूडक श्रिये चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धु शेखरम् लाटकपरत्तलन्तरञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गवाजिमीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्यलिम्पनायकं सुधामयुगलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजकालमस्तु नः प्रचंड पंचसायके धराधरेन्द्र नंदिनी कुचाग्र चित्र भद्रक कथाल्पनेक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने निर्ममा मंडली निरुद्ध सुंदर स्फुरत्पूर्व निशीमनी नव प्रबंध बद्ध गंधर निर्मणि करस्तनोतु भूमि सिंधुर कलानि पंकज प्रपंच कालिमप्रभा फलं निकण्ठ कण्डली रुचि प्रबद्ध कण्डलम् स्वरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदानुगच्छिदं भवन्तकच्छिदं भजे भवन्तकच्छिदं भजे भवन्तकच्छिदं भजे पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मकान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे जयपदप्रविक्रमप्रभुजङ्गमस्वसद्विजङ्गमत्रमं पुरस्करालभागाव्यवाट्यमिद्यमिद्यमिद्यनन्तुरदङ्गतुङ्गमण्डलध्वनिं प्रमप्रवर्तितप्रचण्डताण्डवः शिव शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् तदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् तदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् तदा सुखी भवाम्याम्
नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवम् पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततम् हरे गुरो सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा विभोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम्
ॐ जुं स ॐ जुं स ॐ जुं स ॐ जुं स
पूजावसान समये दशवक्त्रगीतं यः शम्भुपूजन
नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः जटाटविकलज्वलप्रवाहपावितस्तरे गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् निनादमड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवा शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमं भ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्झरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि दगद्दगद्दगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टभावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणं मम विलास
भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्दूर स्फुरत् मकुत्तरीय मे दुरे मनो विनोद मद्भुतं विभ्रतु भूतवर्परि सहस्रलोचन प्रबुद्ध शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणि विदूषरात्रिपीठ भूभुजंग राजमालया निबद्ध जाट चूडक श्रिय चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धु शेखरम् राजटप्परञ्जय स्फुलिंग वाजिमीत पंचसायकं नमन्यलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजकालमस्तु चंड पंचसायके धराधरेन्द्र नंदिनी कुचाग्र चित्र भद्रक कथाल्पनेक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने निर्ममा मंडली निरुद्ध सुंदर स्फुरत् निशीतनीतव प्रबंध वज्रगंधर दिलिम्पनिर्जनी करस्तनोतु भूमि सिंधुर कला विराट मंगुरा श्रियं जगत्सुरंधरा पुरांतकं भवांतकं मकांतकं गजांतकांतकांतकं तमंतकांतकं भजे हे पद प्रविक्रम प्रमद्भुजंगम स्वसंविनिर्गमस्त्रवस्फुरत्करालभाराव्यवान्ति विद्यमिद्यमिद्यमन्त्रदं तुङ्गमण्डलध्वनिं क्रमप्रवर्तित प्रचण्ड ताण्डवः शिव शिवेति मंत्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मंत्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यां शिवेति मंत्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्याम्
नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवम् पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततम् हरे गुरो सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा विभोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम् ॐ ॐ जुं स ॐ ॐ जुं स ॐ ॐ जुं स ॐ ॐ जुं स पूजावसान समये दशवक्त्र गीतं यः
प्रवाह पावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकां डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन् डमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादमड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवा शिवम् जटाकटा सम्भ्रमं भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्जरी विलोल विचिवल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि दगद् दगद् दगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टभावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिश्रणं मम राधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरन्ति गन्ध सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपाकटाक्ष धोरिणि निरुद्ध दुर्धरापति क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मे तु वस्तुनि भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्दूर स्फुरत् मकुत्तरीय मे गुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं विभर्तु भूतवर्परि सहस्रलोचन प्रभुज्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणि विदूषरात्रिपीठ भूभुजंग राजमालया निबद्ध जाट चूडक श्रिये चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धु शेखरम् धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्ग वाजिपीठ कञ्चसायकं नमन्यलिम्बनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजकालमस्तु नः धनञ्जयाहुनिकुलङ्कचण्ड पञ्चसायुगे धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी कुचाग्र चित्रपत्रक प्रकल्पनेक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने निर्ममा पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मकान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे पदप्रविक्रम प्रणभुजङ्गमस्वदद्विजङ्गमत्रमं पुरस्करालवालाव्यवाद्यविद्यविद्यविद्यनं प्रदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गलध्वनिक्रमप्रवर्तित प्रचण्ड ताण्डवः शिव शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखीभवाम्यां शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखीभवाम्यां शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखीभवाम्याम्
नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवम् पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन् नरो विशुद्धिमेति
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्री कैलासो द्वादशांत श्यामला पीठारूढ़ श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिव पुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमन्य तुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यमान लब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तक श्रीमन् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चन्द्रश्रयान धीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्नकाहरादि समस्त विरतावल्यरन्तित ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संघ सत्योजात निर्वाण दीक्षा व्ययापवर्ग श्रीभूत परम सकल भेद केशरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राधाधिराज पाण्ड्य महाराज गुरु श्रवण शाक्यादि महांतकार निर्वाण ज्ञानभानु दीक्षार्हार्ह वचोचेलन पूर्वक ऋषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्तृ सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिना अवतार भूत श्री ज्ञान संबंध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामला पीठ महासंस्थान ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासक सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ तृणवत्युत्तर वशततम गुरु महासन्निधान महानिर्वाणि पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वन्द्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रचित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तृ जगद्गुरु बहवा श्रीर श्री परमहंस नित्यानंद श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामी परात् परात् परात्
परमशिवोऽहम्